Fishing while traveling with kids can turn family trips into unforgettable outdoor adventures. Travel fishing allows kids to explore new places while learning new fishing experiences. Keeping travel fishing simple helps families enjoy the trip without feeling overwhelmed. Choose compact fishing gear that is easy to pack and carry. Research safe and family-friendly fishing spots before arriving at your destination. Short fishing sessions help kids stay excited and avoid travel fatigue. Travel fishing gives families opportunities to explore lakes, rivers, beaches, and new environments together. Parents can let kids help choose fishing locations or help pack travel gear. Fishing while traveling helps kids build confidence and curiosity about new outdoor places. These moments help families slow down and enjoy shared experiences during busy trips. Travel fishing is not about catching fish everywhere you go. It's about building memories while exploring the outdoors together. If you enjoy simple, honest parenting ideas for fishing with kids, feel free to like and subscribe.